One of the best features about WordPress is managing your menu. Your menu meaning on your main website, you've got your navigation at the top. So for me, just these 6 categories. Sometimes they'll have drop-down options underneath. And there's also often a footer menu. I've got it way down here small, subtle, but it's good for mobile to have it again at the bottom. So to manage that, in the old days, you'd have to add code to every page, but now WordPress makes it so easy. And I'm going to go in and show you. You want to go into Appearance and Menus on your WordPress dashboard. And if you have multiple, like I had that footer menu at the bottom, you can see you toggle which one you want to edit. So I'm going to edit my main menu. So I actually have to click Select. It's not as intuitive there. All right, so this should mimic the exact menu and the order even of my site. So website or web design and development and digital are the first 2. Here they are. So they match up. Now notice the formatting is different. These are all caps. These are not. That doesn't matter. It's really simple. If I wanted to add this business marketing category page to my menu, all I have to do is check the box and click Add to Menu. Now watch what happens. See, you see it went there. In fact, let's say I want it to be the second one. I'm going to put it right in there. I just dragged it. That was simple. And I'm going to save menu, the blue button at the right. And both saves do the same thing. All right, I'm going to go back to my site. I'm going to refresh it. And here you go. It's got business marketing. Now, because there's limited space, you could see it carried over on a second line, your menu. So if that happens to you, you could just shorten one of these titles or talk to your web developer to have them make the font smaller or make just a nice 2-level navigation, something like that. But now I'm going to do another little change. I'm back in my menus area. I'm going to actually indent business marketing, all right? And I'm going to save it. So that was just another drag and drop step, very easy. Go back to my site. I'm going to refresh it. Now, for here, it actually put underneath. This site is not set up at the moment to do a drop down. Most sites are. So if I had to add a drop down to this site, I would have some development to do. But you can see it puts it right underneath. It's just not hiding it like it would for a typical drop down. So there you go. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. But also note, you can not only add pages, but you can add posts. These are blog posts. All right. You can add any other kind of custom post type. So I have testimonials on my site. Here are the people that gave me a testimonial. I could add directly to them. You can do custom links. Now, I don't think WordPress has this by default, but you could link out, let's say, to a partner site. I could go to google.com and put Google, and I could add that to my menu. So when you clicked on it on my website, it would say Google, and it would take me to a whole other website. That's also good for downloadable forms or anything else you might need that's custom. All right. And there's also an option. I'm going to go ahead and add this. When you do a custom link, you can choose to make it click in a new window. Now there's a setting that I have to do to activate that. So contact your web developer if you need it to open a link and actually go to another website but leave this site open. All right, that's not something that's built into WordPress, even though it's a pretty basic feature. All right, and then again, if you wanted to switch and do something with your footer menu, you could switch over and do the same kind of changes. So it's just very easy to manage your WordPress menu. If you have any other questions or need any more tips, you can watch my other videos or contact me anytime. Thanks.